Hi all, we've been programming our microbit and getting it to do different things and making sounds and outputting different things on LEDs, but to get the real benefit of it we need to start using all these connections and these pins at the bottom. But obviously if you solder something to these guys here, it's going to possibly damage the connection here, and obviously we mightn't be able to use this microbit again in the future. So what we have is we have these things called breakout boards, and this is what a breakout board looks like. Right. So this one we're using is a compact robotics board, or an all-in-one robotic board is another one that's very, very popular. And as well as all of these connections for outputs, you can also connect servo, which we'll be looking at the next video, to all these pins here. So we have 8 different pins there, and we can also connect motors. We have another 4 motors there we can connect to as well as connecting if LEDs or whatever you like on this side. So you can see there the microbit, once you have it programmed, you must face this way. So basically all that happens is the microbit slots in to this guy here like kind of a credit card. Okay. Now the board itself has its own power supply, and this time it can be 9 volt, and it has a little on off button as well, and this is really what will turn your microbit into something that can control 8 servos, 4 motors and other components as well. So yes, you would have to solder onto these connections, but these guys here, you can see simple little flathead screwdriver and our push on connectors, and you'll be able to work it out. You can actually also get ones that don't have the board sticking up at 90 degrees. It can actually come in perpendicular to it, or parallel to the actual board, I suppose is the word I'm looking for, and that might be easier to work it into a project. Okay, so this is the all-in-one robotics board, or this particular one is a compact robotics board. They're about €20. Again, getronics.co.uk have all this stuff. So that's using the microbit in conjunction with a breakout board or some other kind of a motor board to get its real functionality.